Well, that was a very long shift. But today, taking the kids camping for the first time. It's supposed to be raining the whole weekend, which is great. That's exactly what you want when you got kids going out for camping for the first time. But you know what? We're gonna make the best of it. It's gonna be a good time, and it's not gonna rain because positive attitudes. Catch you there. What you doing, Mia?
Take it to the grocery store.
What? What? What's up, bro? What are you talking about back there, Mia? Where are we going?
We're going home.
We're going home?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No.
Where are we going?
Home Depot.
Home Depot?
Yeah.
We going camping?
Home Depot.
You want to go to Home Depot instead?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, good. What about you, Mom?
I love Home Depot, so sure.
It's not taking video, I see.
I thought I was your best friend.
Hey everyone, Scott Fast Friends.
Did you find a nice puddle? Yep. Very, very perfect foot size puddle. Oh, and we lost his shoe. Amelia, you found your own puddle? Oh. Yeah. Oh no, is right. Oh God. Maybe when you're big. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, go down there.
We're going. We're gonna go down over there. All right.
It'll be really crazy.
It's gonna be really crazy. Is that our campsite down there?
I'll just say.
What?
I'll do that.
You gonna do what?
I'll scream when we go down there.
Oh, okay.
I'll scream.
What you guys doing?
What are we doing? Work? Are we exercising?
We're exercising when we got sleep on
Because they're making it warm.
Picture me at my butt.
What? You shaking your butt? What you got there, Mia? Just straight up eating chocolate? Straight up eating chocolate. Not big. He's big as my face, but this is like the 50th fish. Unbelievable. Unreal.
Anthony, how do you feel about being on the water, bud? Look at his face. Oh, do you love it, Mimi? But wait a minute. He's so unsure. Mia, say brother, lighten up.
Lighten up.
He's like stuck in time.
They're like still in time.
There we go.
Bye, Bella. No, I'll see you later, baby. Bye. Can you see the fishies out there?
It's a flopper. It's a flopper. Look at the pretty color. Look at the yellow belly, brother. What color is that, yellow belly? Now watch what I do. Amelia, watch. Amelia. These guys are called bluegills. You gotta put your hand on the back over here or else they poke you. Oh man, you gutted this one, buddy. Give it a kiss.
No.
Give him a kiss. Mwah. But Johnny.
Ew, don't. Bye. Who makes the best mac and cheese, Bella? Who's that? Your daddy.
Best.
Best mac and cheese ever. Did you see the piggies? Piggy. Piggy. Oh no. Where are you going? Whoa. Are they eating breakfast? What's wrong? Oh no. What's wrong? Oh no. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, don't bother them. I wonder if I get to see one of those bullfrogs that are just roaring.
Yes.
Yeah, don't touch his eyes. Poor guy.
Come in. Come in the picture. Come in the picture.
Oh, poor mama. Yeah, put the fishy back in the water. Oh my god. What's going on out here? Oh my. What kind of fish is it?
It's called bluegill, right, baby? Not bluegill?
It's Princess. Well, you better put Princess Elena back in the water.
You ready? She's with Elena, okay?
Uh-oh, I think Princess Elena wants to go back in the water.
Princess Elena's fine.
Uh,
Come here, baby.
That's what's happening. But somebody passed out early.
Amelia, what are we doing?
There's that soup.
Whoa, sausage and eggs and whoa. Good morning, Mommy.
Good morning.
Brother said good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. He literally just did that. Yeah, Bella, good job. With the mouthful of sausage. Ooh. Ooh.